Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Tilly from Craigmill. Yeah, from Melissa, Blue One River come down. The walk put the drill and give you under mine and when I see them come look for the try to fix the back and every time river come down when I have nowhere to drive and them something stay away. Nowhere to drive. So I serious if you pick me afraid to walk on it when the rain fall and river come down. So scary and them something.
I see you was pointing to me earlier and showing me some cracks and all that.
Yeah, the cracks them on the
turn to me. Mid catch that already.
Yeah, man. The cracks them on the same way, man. As when they are show you. I mean, I see them come to try to fix the back and them things. Now river come down and them things. Kids them afraid to walk on it, scary. Like you can scare down and break down any time.
So what's underneath it up there?
Then we put one little sachets grind and it wash and dirt and them something. Like. No steel and them something. Like, you know. Just dirt and sachets grind and cement and stuff.
So you guys feel safe about
No,
it?
we don't feel safe. Not even the kids them. I say look what me have to cross them, they say them alone now walk on it, them afraid. So that's them I say help them see. They like walk, they don't look good still. They need to come fix up the bridge and them something. Years away say they'll get the bridge and now we can't see the bridge. So I know walk on. So river come down there, no car can cross. Suppose somebody to get sick. Power go on. And then they run on them something.
So what's the current situation like now? I'm seeing in the background here the river is
fully everything. Now draw down to now. We can't
how
tell
long
when.
since the river been like this?
No, since they come down.
About what time?
Oh, like 3-4 o'clock. About them 3 o'clock, right?
And you say you guys are here to assist?
Yeah, here to assist the people come across. As they are assist them way, we are doing work. We have to look out to them because I'm scared to walk on the bridge. As they say.
Respect. Can you tell us your name, please?
Yeah, man, I'm Marlon, man. Marlon. Yeah.
Alright, tell us exactly where we are and what is happening.
Alright, we are at Craigmill, Portland, right?
Yeah.
And what is that? He started that, I tell us that he does not care for in a two someone enough to walk on this right here, so. And yes, the hollow. So he started going it. You see started going?
Yeah, look for me and talk.
Yeah.
Just soon look out. I got 2 more area.
You see started going from this bus out, and then it's a week.
So what would have caused this the damage now?
Nothing under this hollow. Right, and under this now have nothing at all.
Alright, with all what is happening now, how safe is this for you guys? How you feel?
Well, we're traumatized. We're not safe none at all. Because
look for me and talk more.
alright, what's going on now? You see, most of the people in the past, the teacher passed a while ago, we have to open up credit class because they're afraid. I just I care one girl cross a while ago and her heart beat so fast in general. People scared, probably me not scared still, but the whole community scared, you see me?
How long since the structure has been like this?
Well, a couple of weeks, the sachets grind fall from under here, so. Then she just come and fix back this and stuff. You see me? So we can actually have the walking bridge. So if the water come down, that's not mine, but if water come down, we now have the walking, brother. We no problem.
With what is happening now, it will put more damage to the structure here?
Yeah. Cause if somebody walk on it, so this can just break out right now and then foot broke. So imagine we bypass, we don't have no bypass and then somebody foot get broke right here. So all of this are shake right now. We just not safe in at all, bro. Believe me, we're not safe. We need your help. We need justice, bro.
So you're calling on the relevant
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah. We just need something, yeah.
Remind me your name again?
Marlon, my father.
And how long since you guys have been experienced with the water?
Well, long enough, no. Long. Go on more than 10 years. Yeah. But, why? Sad. Can't talk about this. Alright. Beg your something.